in the eyes of most people. A nobody, a non-entity, an unpleasant person. Someone who has not and never will have any position in society. In short, the lowest of the low.
And that's well and good. He was mad.
He wasn't. He was an interesting man.
Well then, even if that were all absolutely true, and one day I would like to show by my work what this nobody, this non-entity, has in his heart.